Hello, thank you for taking time to speak out with today. We're really excited to hear your thoughts on the exhibition. So, can you tell me your overall impression of the exhibition and how will you evaluate it?
Your exhibition is very nice. It's very helpful because this exhibition have many users, many Chinese factories, and this interesting for our company because we are looking for new factories Chinese because we are buying many types, many times equipments, many times many kinds of parts for this equipment.
It's great to hear that. It's always exciting to see how these events bring together so many different ideas and innovations. So, can you tell us a little bit about your company and what was the purpose of your visit to the exhibition? What were you hoping to achieve and did you meet your expectations?
Chinese exhibition very helpful. Yes, it's interesting. Maybe need more exhibition like this in China. Maybe one, two times in a year not enough, because equipment change very fast, and maybe need 3-4 exhibition in 1 year. Because it's very important. Chinese factories produce equipments for all world. All Russian production use Chinese equipments and Chinese parts for these equipments. So I'm looking for many types.
That's fantastic to hear that. So let's move into a broader topic. What was your opinion like due to the Chinese manufacturing market, and more specifically, what's your opinion on Chinese products?
Chinese products may be different quality. Maybe very good, maybe middle, maybe not good. For us, very important, find good quantity because it's important. You understand why?
I get it.
Maybe for Chinese factory need more level of controls, quality controls, more level.
Okay.
I think it's need for Chinese factory.
That's a really insightful perspective. So, is there anything else you'd like to add about your experiences or your opinion on experiences of the exhibition or your hope for the industry?
Yes, exhibition very helpful. My opinion, it's good. It's beautiful, maybe I can say. Many factories we looking for. I'm looking for my main products. I'm looking for today 2 factories which produce bearings for equipments. It's my main product too. And we are looking for today new factories which products we don't buy now, but maybe we will buy these products in future after this exhibition. Maybe. I take contacts of these factories and I think we will have conversation with factories. A conversation, and after checking quality of these products, maybe we will buy that product too.
So, thank you for your participation. Thank you again.
Okay.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
再见。